Are you looking for a complete finished housing lot located in Las Piñas City? If you're a startup family working in BGC, Manila, Taguig, and Alabang area, guys, continue watching because this housing lot might be your dream home. Let's go! So upon entry guys, sa salubong sa atin is yung we have a carport garage here, and ito yung pinaka facade ng housing lot natin. So this is modern tropical design guys, since yung mga glasses natin is malalaki, at the same time we have a direct access ng sunlight. So tara, pasok tayo. So upon entry, also dito sa bahay is dito yung pinaka living area, and ito yung mga windows na sasalubong sa atin. We have this big and spacious windows for the ventilation and also for the access of the direct sunlight. And yung mga ilaw dito guys is kasama na po upon turnover. So ito guys, this will be your receiving area. And dito naman po sa hallway na to guys, dito located ang ating indoor pocket garden. So dito guys, pwede kayong mag-chill, mag-coffee. So depende guys kung ano yung preferred nyo. But then, pwede kayong magtanim dito ng mga halaman na gusto nyo. At the same time, pwede rin kayong maglagay ng grotto dito kung gusto nyo. So depende na rin po sa ilalagay nyo talaga. But this indoor pocket garden guys will serve as perfect ventilation, air ventilation dito sa area, no? Para hindi naman sobrang loob yung bahay. So tara, check naman natin. Dito sa area na to, we have this storage, no, sa ilalim ng stairs. And dito naman po sa dining area, no, this is supposedly a dining area, but then guys, since ongoing or newly built itong bahay na to is nandito yung mga gamit nila, but then aalisin din naman po yan after mabili itong housing lot na to. So dito naman sa area na to guys, ito yung pinaka kitchen area nila. So dito yung provision for the range hood and also yung gas range. Dito naman sa side na to, we have this provision for refrigerator. At the same time guys, kasama na po yung overhead cabinet sa turnover. So ito yung magiging kitchen natin. Yung mga cabinets na yan guys, kasama na po kapag nag-avail tayo ng housing lot dito sa Las Piñas City. And then dito sa side na to, dito yung pinaka common toilet and bath. So we have this complete fixtures also. May shower, may lavatory, may toilet and bath. And dito naman sa side na to, ito yung pinaka dirty kitchen natin. At the same time guys, dito located ang ating maid's room, housekeeper's room or driver's room. So it depends kung sino po yung kasama nyo sa bahay. But then guys, this is another open space para makalanghap ng fresh air, no? Kasi para hindi naman guys na masyadong wala ng space para makahinga dun sa bahay. At the same time guys, dito marami tayong open space at marami tayong mga breathable window kasi malalaki po yung mga bintana natin. Ito guys, kasama na dito sa turnover. Kita nyo naman guys, sliding window po. So parang medyo industrial type yung bahay, no? Based dun sa design, sa aesthetics po nung mga nakalagay dito, pati yung mga ilaw natin. So tara, check naman natin yung second floor. So dito naman sa ating second floor, na sasalubong sa atin isang mini hallway na to going to the master's bedroom and dun sa first bedroom. But ito yung pinaka view niya. May view tayo ng pocket garden natin dito sa baba, and for an additional ventilation, pwede natin itong buksan. And dito sa left side guys, papasok tayo dito. This is a common toilet and bath po with complete fixtures na rin. We have a shower, lavatory, and toilet bowl. Dito naman sa ating side na kabila is nandito yung first bedroom natin. So yung first bedroom natin guys, wala siyang furniture kasi this housing lot is complete finish lang po, no? Binibenta namin siya or i-offer namin siya sa mga buyers namin na complete finish. But yung mga ilaw dito guys is kasama na po upon turnover. So dito guys, you have an option kung gusto nyo gawin siya na kids room, no? Kung meron kayong babies, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng dalawang bunk bed, no? Pwede sila dito. Dito naman guys sa ating kapila na master's bedroom, no? Dito siya guys. So pagpasok natin, itong space na to is ito yung walk-in closet nila together with the toilet and bath. So yung toilet and bath nila dito guys is mas malaki compared dun sa kabila na bedroom. Tingnan naman natin kung saan ilalagay yung bed. Tingnan natin yung space niya kung gaano kalaki. So ito guys, ito yung pinaka bed area. So kagandahan nito, may access pa rin kayo going dito sa terrace, and napaka-spacious niya. We have an additional windows for additional ventilation, and kasama na to sa turnover guys, even itong sliding window. So kung mapansin nyo, may mga lights din dito, included na po siya upon turnover. So guys, this is a complete finished house and lot, at kita nyo naman guys, furnitures na lang at gamit nyo na lang yung dadalhin nyo dito. So tara, tignan naman natin yung third floor. Dito naman sa ating third floor, no, this is originally designed na maging office space. But then guys, since open to, you have an option if naghahanap ka ng additional bedroom. And if you're a type of family na gusto ng gatherings, no, napakalaking space nito, no. So, pwedeng mag-gathering dito, magkainan kayo, mag-inuman, mag-karaoke. And at the same time guys, meron ditong space sa terrace. So, kung naghahanap ka ng fresh air, no, pwedeng tumambay din dito. So ayun, that's it. May view din pala ng guys, may view din po pala dito ng indoor garden. So pwede nyo rin itong buksan for additional ventilation. So ayun, this is our third floor, and if you're interested, this house and lot is 11.5 million and pwede pong maging negotiable kapag cash buyer po kayo. So yung mga number ko is nasa screen po, no. You can message me to my Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage, or even in line, no. I-assist po namin kayo. Again, this is Pao of Lux Property, and thank you for watching.